Welcome back, everybody. It's I with EyeWillPlay, and I am in my house. It's not Christmas yet, but it's going to be Christmas for you. I'm recording this video a little bit early. I wanted to wish everybody a very, very Merry Christmas from my house to yours. While we're speaking about it, let's show you just a little bit of this house so you can take a little bit of a look at it for yourselves. This is the iHouse tour. Let's go! All right, so coming in the front door, we got a little Santa action, snowman, little festivities going on. We got the stairs that go up to a few bedrooms. Then we have the rail. We have joy to the world, the Lord has come. Some stockings, be merry. Oh, we got all types of pictures. You guys might want to look at this one right here. Yes, that's me at 5 years old. I had blonde hair pretty much, and then it changed as I got a little bit older. Got the kitchen area going on. We got some Christmas decorations. Love is all you need. Fondest memories. Rudolph, Donner, Cupid, Blitzen, Comet, Vixen, Prancer, all that good stuff. Eggnog, fudge. Pay no attention to the paperwork. We have the kitty cat visiting us, like I told you, so we have a very long tunnel. Dog bed's up on the chair over here. These stockings are separated because we had the fireplace on last night and I haven't situated it yet, but this is the mantle area with our TV, and here's the tree. Packed full of presents underneath for the kids. None for mommy and daddy. It's all kids this year. And the wreath. Give you a little shot. Merry Christmas to all. Probably could have cleaned this up for the video a little bit, but this is my area. This is where all the magic happens. This is super simple, obviously. I have my laptop. I have the C922 Logitech webcam on top. There's the Blue Yeti microphone. Oh, I'm all out of Rockstar this morning. Got the Logitech mouse, the pen. Of course, all the notes that I always talk about are under here. And then I have the iPad Pro that I'm continually using. And this is how I set it up when I'm seated in the chair. This is what you guys get to see. Little emoji of my wife and myself. And this is the setup. This is how it all works. The ring light up here, some pictures in it. This is the setup on the chair that I use. A very basic chair, but hey, it works. I got a padding that I put behind my low back, as well as this heat pad right here. And then I use this blanket. Yeah. And then I have the green screen directly behind me. Not that big, 3x5, but hey, that's it. It's very tiny, very small, but that's the space. I know it seems a little silly to go on a house tour for the video, but hey, I want to show you guys a little bit of what's going on in the iHouse. Give you kind of a glance at what the life's like here, and really just thank you so much for everything that's happened with the channel this year. Obviously, I'll have more videos up and coming, but a lot's happened. We're very close to 3,000 subscribers. We're right on the cusp. I think we're 41 away. With still among us tonight. It is Wednesday night, but I wish you a very Merry Christmas. Enjoy, everybody. This is the time for family. I hope you enjoy your family time and your Christmas. Take it easy, everybody. And there's my daughter's cat getting in the picture as always. And my dog Tucker. There they are. Well, take it easy, everybody, and we will see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye!